In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change kill sound in the strongest battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Modifying the kill sounds in the strongest battlegrounds is something that you will be able to do on both PC and mobile. You just need to access a web browser to get your actual kill sound audio, and you will be able to put it inside of the strongest battlegrounds. So of course, make sure that you have access to the Game Pass. If you don't have the Game Pass, you will be able to purchase it for 199 Robux. So after you acquire the Kill Sound Game Pass, just open a web browser and you have to go over to create.roblox.com or look for the Roblox Creator Hub. When you arrive at this page, click on Store and then go over to the audio category. This is where you will be able to browse any kill sounds that you want to use. So you can look for a kill sound or something related to that, or you can just get any random sound that you want to use. It doesn't matter. When you find any audio that you would like to use, what I recommend is that you click on more info and you will be redirected to this page. Now, you don't have to pay attention to anything in here. All that you have to do is look at the URL. You will see that the URL is always create.roblox.com/store/asset and then a bunch of numbers. You have to copy all of these numbers. So if you are doing this on mobile, take a look at the URL bar at the top or at the bottom of your screen. And of course on PC, just look over here in a web browser. Now copy these numbers, and now with these numbers copied, go back inside of Roblox itself, and you will be able to click on the settings, choose customize kill sound, and paste the code. Now, as you can clearly see, I am a newbie and I don't have the kill sound Game Pass. But if you do, you will be able to paste those numbers and the new kill sound will be applied. I apologize for not being able to demonstrate this on screen, but regardless, it is going to work as long as you copied the proper URL and the numbers and you paste it inside of the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to change kill sound in the strongest battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.